Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now we have to enter date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we right now cannot customize. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and right now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, nothing easier. And it will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can also change the time zone, just tap on it and you will be transferred to this full list. So find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one randomly. And of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. You can change the time format if you want to. You can use the 24-hour one or 12-hour one. Just tap on the option like to use and the dual clock, which is quite cool option because your device will simply display two different clocks. The first one will show you the time from the place in which you're currently in, and the second one will show you the time from the place all around the world of your choice. So you can pick totally different city, etc. of your liking. So that's quite cool. So basically this is how to manually customize the date and time. Of course you can go back to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.